Okay, so here we are with the Christmas tree. You do get longer pieces if you want to break them up and make them a bit more like more shorter pieces like that one is. You can just literally take it and snap it with your hands like that. Obviously those little shards that come off, they will come out nicely as little sprinkles. So what you want to do is run a bead of glue in the areas where you're going to have your little pieces of what we call stringers. There. You can be generous with the glue because it'll be handy when it's coming back in the post. It might come loose, so about 1 millimeter thick of glue, and swish it around. You can use your tweezers. And then have a think. Obviously we've got the hoop now. That needs covering. So you have to plan ahead a little bit there. So that needs covering with an extra piece of glass. So again, be generous with the glue. Let that come a few millimeters either side like that. Preferably with the join being covered with the glue and the glass. It's a nice heavy piece there. Make it lined up, and then you can put your star bead, or whatever you want to call it. I'm calling it a star. It's not a star, it's a feature bead on there. It's not always star shaped. And then you're dabbing a drop of wherever you want your feet, wherever you want your round beads to go. That one's a bit darker, so I'm going to put it at the bottom because it will have a heavy feet. I'm going to alternate because it looks more natural that way. So I'm going to alter light and dark, and that sort of thing. Okay, and then you've got your little spoon with your frit. Just dip that into the bag and add some more. Wherever you want the frit to go, add your glue. Nothing wrong with having a little bit of frit there. In fact, there's nothing wrong with having a little bit of frit in between there, because there is a better chance of the everything remaining intact, and there's contact there. So just a tiny bit there. Just a bit there, and then put that back on. That does help things to seal up a little bit better. Not too thick and not piled too high, just a fine amount. Press it down, carefully, don't cut yourself. And you've got your spoon for the other areas. And again, you can use, like children do in school with the when they're doing glitter, you can remove that onto another piece of scrap paper. I know this is on a piece of card here, but just mind yourself. Do it on paper and bend the paper. I was just trying to make it look more presentable with the white. And keep doing that until it just keeps piling and piling. And then that's it. Leave for 24 hours. And then you can post it back and I will fire it. Wonderful.